Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at this little portable speaker that was sent out for me to review. Now, this is model number S300. It boasts a number of features, including an RGB light. It has different audio sound modes. It has kind of like a, well, you know what? Let's just get right to it and I'll show you guys all the cool things that come with this speaker. So let's go ahead and open this guy up real quick here. So starting out, very important, the first thing you're going to be greeted with is the starter manual. I do recommend that you guys read this, but I'm going to try and walk you through a lot of the features as we go. All right, so inside of the box, as you guys can see, it is very well packaged. So let's go ahead and just pull this guy out of the box. And I want you guys to see the only thing left in the box is going to be this USB-C-A to USB-C cable for charging. All right, let's get rid of all of the other packing materials and let's see what we get. All right, so this has a really nice finish to it. So you have these buttons along the front here. These are rubberized, so they have a really nice texture to them. Underneath, we have these also rubberized feet. I'm assuming this is an additional speaker. And as we go around here to the back, you guys can see your 3.5 aux input here, USB-A. You can also install a TF card in here, and you have your standard DC 5 volt for powering this guy. All right, so on the top is our Qi charger. Now there's a little bit of plastic on here, so let's just go ahead and pull that off. Thing looks great, beautiful finish on this. You guys should be able to see how the light is reflecting. Now, none of these pieces come apart, which is nice. You do have a little bit of branding here, right here on the front. You have your clock, power button, time. You have your volume controls. You have all of those different features right here. So let's just go ahead and turn this guy on. So we're just going to press and hold the power button. And you guys should have heard that little alert sound letting you know that it's come on. And then you can see here, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that, but there's a display of the time, current time, and you can switch this. You can adjust this as you need to. You can also put a timer. Now we're into our noise for alarms, things like that. You have your volume controls here as well. So many features, guys, with this light. Now you can also adjust the light portion of it. You can go through here and switch through to the different color modes. I like that rainbow effect. That's pretty cool. You know, I think that would be nice in someone's home or office. But again, you have a few of those that you can go through and just kind of experience what each one of those are going to be able to do. Now, again, this has a Qi charger. This does have to be powered. So just starting off, let's just see if we can charge the phone without having to plug this into power, because I believe plugging it into power is just for charging it. So we're just going to throw this iPhone on here and see if it's able to charge it. Now, the problem with the iPhone is the way that the cameras are set up. So that might be an issue. Yeah, I think that's going to be an issue for this iPhone because it can't sit flat because of, let's see here. Nope, I don't think that's going to charge my iPhone, but you guys get the idea. So if your phone is able to sit flatly on here, you should be able to charge it with no problems. In a nutshell, guys, I think this is a really nice little bedside charger slash clock slash speaker. So if you're looking for something for your home, your office, your man cave, your she shed, bedside table, something like this could also be really nice in a baby's room. You know, you could play really soft music there for the baby. The lights can be soothing at the same time. So yeah, just take a look at this. I think this is going to be a great product for you guys to take a look at. Again, those rubberized feet are really nice on here. This thing does not, it has resistance, so it's not really sliding around on the desk, but of course you can move it like anything else. But once you sit it someplace, it's going to be pretty much good to go. I think this is a worthwhile product for you to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Hopefully this video has been informative, if nothing else entertaining, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.